The Indian Army conducted an anti-terror drill along with the Uzbekistan Army as part of the 10-day joint army exercise dubbed as Dustlik II. This will be the second India-Uzbekistan joint exercise and the first one to take place in India. Here's a detailed report. Take a look.
Chaubatia in Uttarakhand. These soldiers are taking part in a military drill as part of a 10-day joint exercise, Dustlik II, a joint exercise conducted by the Indian and Uzbekistan armies.
"45 representatives from Uzbeki's army are here in India, and 45 soldiers from Indian army are participating in Dustlik II. And India has been taking forward these joint exercises with a US-Indo exercise last month being conducted in Bikaner, and now this exercise with Uzbekistan.
The armies took part in shooting drills with the newly inducted SIG Sauer 716 assault rifles.
जब भी फायर करता है तो उस समय लेफ्ट या राइट दोनों तरफ से इसको मैगजीन को उतार सकता है, दोनों कंधों से आसानी से फायर कर सकता है। दूसरा, इसके अंदर जो बट है, बट एडजस्टेबल है, इसकी 6 पोजीशन दी हुई है। इसको बट फायरर अपने कंधे के हिसाब से और जमीन की हालात के हिसाब से उसको एडजस्ट कर सकता है।
The forces also took part in a jungle shooting drill.
Also getting firing at armies.
And a cordon search operation drill in the villages of Chaubatia.
This exercise Dustlik II 2021 is a good opportunity for us to share our best practices with Uzbekistan troops. The scope of this exercise is the conduct of sub-unit level operations in counter-terrorism role under UN mandate.
It is the second edition of the annual bilateral joint exercise of both armies. The first one took place back in Uzbekistan in November 2019.
The operations in these kind of scenarios are very challenging. So what we are trying to show is the real scenario to the Uzbek troops, that how Indian Army troops operate in such environment and what are the challenges which are involved with such kind of terrain, such kind of operations.
The exercise is set to go on till the 20th of March and could boost the capabilities of both armies in their fight against terror. Bureau Report, Republic TV.